Hey guys, so what are we doing today? Well, I'm in the middle of doing several things, um, and I'm getting back into making videos. I thought I'd just start off because I've got like 13 different things. Oh, PCDD just went live again. Sorry, I'm recording right now. Um, I hope the audio is okay. I'm using the DJI Mic Mini with the with the dead cat on, and then I've turned noise cancelling on. Whether or not I can see that it picks up the road on the outside, but it is what it is. So what are we doing today? This is a fan that I bought. You're a fan, but this is all. Well, sorry. Here's the face cam. I know you're a fan, but this is also a fan. And this one charges using USB-A to USB-C, but it don't do USB-C to USB-C, which means it's missing the resistors on the CC lines. So I figured, why not try and add them? So if I plug in a standard USB-C, nothing happens. Not that way, not that way. But it will charge if I use just a dumb A to C. So let's see what we can do about that. You gotta remind me if something, so just shout out if something goes out of, well, not out of focus, but out of view. That's your job to pay attention to and keep track of. The battery connector was hardly on. Standard, just get the battery out. And we'll take a look under the microscope. I'll show you. Because even though I got zoom on that camera, it don't zoom that far. So this one just uses the power pins. This one doesn't, it's just basic, nothing on the other side. 2021. So add a little bit of flux. It's easier to see the pins there. I just cut my nails and I can't grip anything or get anything. Just want it to stick, if only for a little bit. I'm just testing. There, that should be enough. Now, much better. But I have to try and do this while seeing what pulse meter does. Nothing. Aha. So it's that one. Right. So it's the third one from the right. Because now you can see it pulling. And I let go. And it bottoms out. Back in place. Yep. And off. Third one from the right. Okay. So let's solder that in place. And try and not short everything out. This doesn't have to be so long, so I can trim off much of this side and on this side, because it only needs to go from ground to the third pin on the right. Okay, let's take it back off. It's amazing how quickly soldering skills disappear when you're not. It's been a few weeks since I did anything, and yeah, it's a perishable skill. And now, and what happens when I plug in this? It should start. Yay! It charges. Well, negotiates. And how do I make it a little prettier? I'll just use this thinner one, which also isn't capped on, but it is some form of polyamide. Can I? Guess I have to lift it a little bit again. So, yay! Put that one. Oh, damn. No, I think I was in close enough. What if I try and do that? Oh, and not drop it? Yay. That worked, sort of. Yeah. Nice. And it's protect. Protect. And cut off excess. And put it back together. You want to come put it together, or shall I? Back together. It blows. Speed 2. Speed 3. Perfect. And it should turn off. No. Now it should charge. 5 volts. 0.8. So yeah. I wonder if it works both ways. Nope. It's a one-way. So that's okay. Because I only did the 1 cc line. I don't care. I just want it to work. So I have the option. I hate it when people or manufacturers do stuff like this. I mean, I know it's cutting cost, even cutting the 1 cent, that it is to, or it ain't even a cent, but like the fraction of a cent to save on components and all that, and it makes up for a great deal, or makes up a kind of a huge amount when, but still, I mean, make something that works. Yeah, I can do USB-A and just use a dumb pumping charger, but I want to have the option to use a proper USB-C. So, let me know down in the comments what you think. And, you know what? I'm going to be making videos again. More of them. Hopefully a lot more. And, yeah, I forgot to, I hope you saw him in the corner up there, but here, I'll show you again. Clippy is watching. See? I'll use the front camera better. Clippy is always watching. Next time.